Hey Christina, this is Keaton with Disio Media out of Fort Worth. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and give me the opportunity to send it to you. So I'm going to be short and sweet. We're just going to talk about your website. And first things first is someone did a great job on this website. It really captivates. You've got a lot of really cool content, which it beats a lot of the normal plain Jane websites. So once you get someone to your website, you captivate the audience with that cool video up at the top. You have your phone number up here, so it's easy to get in contact with you. So you check off a lot of the big boxes when it comes to websites for selling. But what I'm not seeing is those keywords, those buyer intent keywords that people are going to be searching on Google that you want to be found for. So this video is really just going to be about some keywords, giving you some ideas and giving you the concept of having your website. It's like you have a great billboard and an advertising right here, but your billboard's on the back side of the moon because you don't have the right keywords in there. If you have the right keywords in there, then Google's going to start showing it to your preferred customers, those people that are looking for roof repair, roof services, remodeling, restoration, or what have you. And it's getting specific on buyer intent keywords and location. And I'm going to show you a tool I like to use called Eris real quick, and we're going to talk about this one keyword right here, Roofing Spring, Texas. So if I'm typing that into Google, I'm looking for something regarding roofing in Spring, Texas. You can even get more variations as we go along. We've got roof repair Spring, Texas right here. We've got roofing companies in Spring, Texas, roofing contractors Spring, Texas. So you get the idea of it's just these words that people are going to be searching into Google that you want to be found for. Those are your services. That's what you provide. So you want them to call you, go to your website. We're going to talk about these numbers real quick so you get an idea of some of these values and how they work together. Keyword difficulty, I always just say KD. So if you hear me say KD, it's keyword difficulty. It's on a scale from 0 to 100. 9 is not that high. It's not that difficult to rank for. You've got some great content already. You put some backlinks on it and you have the right keywords on there. It's not going to be that difficult to rank for roofing Spring, Texas. The volume at 200 is telling us that 200 people searched that in 1 month. So 200 people search roofing Spring, Texas on Google in 1 month. 13 is talking about cost per click. So that's giving you an idea if you ever did ad spend on Google, how much people are bidding on this keyword, roofing Spring, Texas. So just a breakdown of the three major kind of values that I look at when we're looking at keywords. But we can go back in here. We can look at all these keywords. We can view more. We can actually see all their KDs. We can see their volumes. We can see their cost per clicks. This is their global right here. So when we go back, let me just show you what that means on the global. So there's nobody else out of the UK or Australia or anywhere else looking for this keyword term because, it would show you right here if other people in other countries are searching for that. So that's what the global means. I'm jumping down a rabbit hole on some of this because that's really irrelevant. Let me keep this going and keep this short. So it gives you a bunch of variations. You can see the keyword difficulties, the volumes and everything of what we've got. Roofing contractor, Spring, Texas, a 9 KD or keyword difficulty, 100 on the volume, and 25 cost per click. So people are spending some money for this keyword. That kind of gives you an indication. If you're ranking organically on this, about 10% of consumers actually click on the ads. But if you're ranking organically on the map pack and on your website, then the chances you probably have about 50 to 60% of those clicks going to your website. I'm going to show you how I know that here in a minute. We're going to look at Shamrock Roofing, but just trying to give you an idea of the importance of having the right keywords on your website. And how we can check that is we can click on your website. I've typed in Control F and whoops. So let's try it again. Control F. We typed in, let's just show you from the get-go, roofing. So we've got 11 roofings in there. Spring, we don't have anything roofing Spring, Texas. So it just has to be that consecutive wording. You can put it in headings, you can put it in here, you can save it as photos, but you want those keywords on your website to rank for those keywords. But moving right along, this is your website, and what we did is a site explorer. So Restoration-Roofing-RemodelingLLC.com. This is how many keywords you're trying to rank for or organically ranking for on Google. And this is the traffic that's generated from those keywords is 25 per month. So that's an idea of a rundown. Here's kind of your backlinks and everything like that, but we're going to keep moving along just to show you these are the keywords that you're currently ranking for. Some of them, not all of them. Anything 20 or lower I can't see right now, but these are some of the ones that you're ranking for, which, yes, people are going to be searching for them, but you can kind of see the volume and everything of how many people are searching for them. But let's compare that with Shamrock's website as well. So this is Shamrock's website. They don't have that much content either. You can add more content to rank for more keywords. But if we run their website into Ahrefs as well, the same thing, Site Explorer, we can look at how many backlinks they have, how many referring domains they have, how many organic keywords they have, and their organic traffic per month. So the 196 people went to their website per month, or last month. So let's look at their keywords and what they're actually ranking for. Roofing, Spring, Texas, they're ranked #1 for that, and 65 people went to their website. So, you know, it's not quite 50%, but you can get the idea. We're a little over a quarter percent on ranking for Roofing, Spring, Texas. Shamrock, we're not going to worry about that because that's branded. But Roof Repair, Spring, Texas, they're ranked 3rd. They just dropped down 2, but they still had 25 people in 1 month that went to their website searching Roofing Repair, Spring, Texas. So I think you get the idea on how important it can be for those right keywords in there. You know, people searching Google with a lot of these phrases, you're going to want to rank for as well. Getting up in those top positions generates that traffic. From that traffic, you have a percentage of them that are going to click to call, and then you go into your close rate on close rates on deals with your sales and everything. So I hope this was helpful. Again, Control F, you can Control F on your website to find out how many keywords are on there, to give you an idea, and just put them in your headings, put them in your paragraphs, add more paragraphs onto that, save them as photos. So getting those keywords in there is going to be your biggest step, and then you'll start seeing some results on that. But if you found this interesting or helpful, that's what I'm hoping for. You know, if you want some more information, just let me know. You can give me a call at 214-427-8699, or you actually have my personal email that I'm going to email you from, but you can also email me at info@disiomedia.com. So thank you for your time, and you have a good one.